thumbs up. By the way, guys, it has a sweet and savory flavor. But today, guys, we're gonna make sweet crepes. So we're gonna do it by hand. Here's the ingredients for today. Here's the flour, and here's the egg, and here's the milk, and here's the sugar, and here's the salt, and here's the melted butter, and here's the vanilla. First, we need to mix the dry ingredients. First, we need to mix the flour. So we need to pour the egg inside the bowl. So we need to put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. We already heated up the pan. After heating the pan, we're gonna put melted butter. Not too much. We're done, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye, and thanks for watching.